Yo, what's up guys, Aiden here. Please excuse the attire today. I have been trading in my dressing gown. Yeah, it's just so cozy. So I just thought I'd put it on. Hood up, everything. Right, okay, so today going to go through a gap and crap reversal. Made 400 on this, but I made a bad trade to start. Well, yeah, I made a bad trade to start the day off. So I'm only 200 up on the day. And kind of played really small size in this IMTE and kind of missed the meat of the move as well, really. But it is still a good trade, still made 30%-ish on it. But yeah, could have done with leaving some YOLO shares on. So IMTE, let's start with the daily chart. So today is the day that I've traded it here, and I've traded it as a gap and crap reversal / $1 hold. So kind of two setups in one. The reason why I took this for the $1 hold was because they're kind of hot at the moment. So if we go to, what was it, XHLD, is that right? So you can see here, this had its sort of first green day off $1. And, you know, had a continuation breakout day today. But that kind of sort of was in my mind that $1 holds are in. Was it SGLY was the other one, was it? Yeah, this kind of, this had a nice reaction to $1 and had a nice push afterwards. So yeah, $1 holds definitely in at the moment, which is, like I say, why I took IMTE. Now we can see here that it's basically just standard gap and crap reversal kind of stuff. So still going up. Give me my shares back. So yeah, kind of just missed all of this action and kind of just left it alone. Then we can see here that it has this nice drop towards $1. And when I got interested in it was when it sort of tried to break this low and couldn't. It tried to break this low of 104 and it dropped to 103, and then it kind of began to push. And then so on this little dip here, I got in at 106. Risking low of day at 103, so really tight risk. Now it can make, you know, I guess people are going to trade this in different ways. Like, you know, some people might be risking off this sort of like 90 cents area for a $1 hold, and you know, often I do risk, you know, have a much wider risk than I've currently got on this trade for $1 hold. But in this instance, I'm trading it as a gap and crap reversal off these levels. So I'm assuming that it's using 103 as a support for $1. So, you know, it can't really break that. It doesn't seem to be breaking out at this moment in time. So I got in here and then kind of saw it push, saw it flush, and just kind of, I didn't sort of have massive conviction in the trade, because at this point, before it does that craziness, they look kind of dead. It looks dead. There's no volume in it. So you kind of taking this trade predicting that volume going to go there next. And so when it had this push, I was already down 200. So I took off my trading P&L really, and rather than the process. And I kind of took off too much here. I took off like a third of my position here, and the rest into higher day or along the way up. And my best sell was like 140 or something like that. So I've kind of missed this whole move here. So that sucks. But nevertheless, yeah, it does suck. There's no nevertheless. Properly sucks. But still, you know, it's good thesis. Just need to chill out a bit with my sales. But, you know, different things go through your mind, and I suppose like the main thing is that I shouldn't be doing is I shouldn't be trading P&L. I should be trading the process, and maybe take a much smaller piece off here. But my plan was to sell most entire day, to be fair, but it would have been nice to keep some YOLO shares on just in case. But yeah, I mean, up until this point, I've been playing much bigger size than this as well. So yeah, it sucks that the one trade that kind of works out isn't playing such small size for. But when things aren't going your way, as it weren't last week, I think it's good to size down and sort of get a bit of confidence back, because confidence did take a little bit of a hit. But yeah, cool. All right. So the moral of the story here is, yeah, it tries to break down. It can't. It uses this sort of like you can't. It's making lower lows, right? Lower lows and lower highs, and this action here doesn't really interest me because it's too far away from $1. You know, I want to get close to $1 as I can, so my risk is tight. So yeah, so you can see it has a little double bottom here, and then it tries to break it and it can't really, and has a push. And that to me indicates that this is potentially the bottom. And so I'm not going to chase it up here because that's, you know, it's still relatively tight risk because the range here isn't great, but it just means I'm more, you know, they're going to be slippage. I'm just more likely to sort of like bottle it and do something stupid. So I wait for a little pullback, got in at 106, and then it's just a case of patience really. So like I say, up until that point, it just looks completely dead, and then all of a sudden volume's picking up, and then, you know, it's breaking out to new highs, halted at 202. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Any questions, put them in the comments. It is a gap and crap reversal off $1. All right, cheers guys, bye bye.